Good morning, boys and girls. Last week we started talking about how to label our story, label our picture rather, and that is one of the things that great writers do, adding labels to our to our pictures. Why do I keep saying to our story? Adding labels to our pictures gives our pictures more detail, but that also helps us practice writing too. So maybe you think that this might be the sun, maybe you see the stars, so you think that this might be the moon. You can pick, that's okay. Maybe you think that this is a star. Remember, if something is big enough, you could just write your label inside of it. If it's not big enough, you could just write your label next to it. Or you could also draw an arrow. So this one's kind of small. I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to label this star. Okay, I labeled this moon. Again, I want to see how you label your picture. So I'm not going to label too much of my picture, but I am going to give you some words to add to your picture. So you could find, make sure you can see this part of the whiteboard, you could find the moon. Maybe you think it's the sun, that's fine. I see some stars. I see trees. I see some snow. Maybe you could add a detail in this part of the picture. Maybe you could add something and add a label. If I was doing this, I would add up myself and label it with my name. But you could add whatever you want. Maybe you want to draw an animal there. Maybe you want to draw a deer or a rabbit or anything there, and you could label that. These are the things, though, that I see that's already given to us. And then I want you to try to write a sentence that goes along with this picture. One sentence that I might write uses a lot of our sight words. Well, maybe not a lot. It uses 2 sight words, but my sentence is only 3 words. I would say, it is winter. Remember, boys and girls, we end our sentences with a period, and it starts with a capital letter. The first grade classes said this is what we want our first graders to know about writing when they come in. The first letter is the only capital letter, and to end with a period or an exclamation point. I do want to show you that my T is crossed right here. Okay, so you could write, it is winter. I see snow. It looks like winter. Ooh, it looks like. Those are 3 sight words that we know. So write a sentence that goes along with your picture that's about winter, and maybe you need to know the word winter. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video on these words so that way you have them and you're adding them to your picture, and then you're picking a sentence that goes along with this picture and writing it at the bottom. Happy writing, friends, and I can't wait to read your guys' writing.